Texas officials are hoping to move the boundary line between Texas and Oklahoma at Lake Texoma. The state borders were established 13 years ago, but the border lines became an issue 4 years ago. In 2009, the lake began to suffer from an infestation of zebra mussels. The species of mollusks attaches itself to hard surfaces like boats and docks and are small enough to be sucked through water pumps. As water was being moved from Oklahoma to Texas, the pumps were also moving the mollusks.
North Texas Municipal Water District has water rights from the state of Texas to utilize water here at Lake Texoma. And the building that you see behind us is our Texoma pump station. Our water supply from Lake Texoma makes up 28% of the district's total water supply. In 2009, an invasive species, the zebra mussels, was identified and had inhabited Lake Texoma. Then the district learned that with the realignment of the state line between Texas and Oklahoma, portions of our building are now bisected between the two states. And you'd say, well, that doesn't seem to be too big of an issue, but there's a federal law, which is called the Lacey Act, which is an environmental law to help prevent the spread of any invasive species across state lines. Since our pumps, all but one, have been moved into Oklahoma, we've been unable to pump that 28% of our supply since 2009. So you couple that with the ongoing drought that we have going on right now, and our water supplies are very stressed for the 1.6 million people that we meet the needs of on a daily basis.
The Red River Boundary Commission will look at redrawing the lines and needs to find a solution by 2015.
Texas legislation, Oklahoma legislation will have to work together to reestablish the state line, or whether they just grandfather just the building back into Texas, but both states will have to work together and then have an act of Congress and a bill passed that rectifies the state line issue.